What is up, guys? Your boy Chippy back with another video. Today we are going to a place that you probably don't know of. It's called Stone Harbour, and we're gonna be there for a whole week. I'm gonna probably make 3 vlogs, probably. Yeah, 3 vlogs, 1 per 2 days. Go there, and I'm not gonna have a computer. It's just gonna be me in my phone. So yeah, I'll see you guys when we're in the car and we're like doing all the stuff. Okay guys, we're in the car. That's my little sister back there. So yeah, we're going to Stone Harbour now. So we're in this car. So let's go. Alrighty guys, we made it here. So we're gonna give you a house tour soon. We're going to the backyard now, see how that looks. This is a kind of nice beach town, pretty far away from a basketball court. I'm gonna try to get to a basketball court.
Welcome to my house. And follow me. Super dope room. Come on in. Bunk beds. Okay. We don't care about this one. Let's go to our room. This is our room. Got a lot of. Yeah, we got a vent. We got a lot of closet space. And then our room. Pretty small. Don't got a TV. Kind of sucks, but very awesome out at the beach. Out here we got.
We can see the cute girls.
They're like your sister, so that's kind of weird. But yeah, we got a lot of people out there. We got a balcony and stuff. And then okay.
The bathroom.
Closet. Oh shoot. There's a TV in there.
No way.
Look.
What the?
In here we got laundry room, bathroom. Outside. Let me take a peek outside, everyone.
Ooh, we can see the cute
There's a
girls.
screened-in porch. Cool. There's an upper deck up there. This is the stairs. What'd she say?
Are we live on Facebook? What an old person.
Who was on Facebook?
Who's on Facebook? This way.
I was gonna gay, but I'm not gay. You got mats in that room? Oh, this is someone else's room, yeah. Such a great experience. We just upstairs. Hello, Mom. Hi, Danny. I'm being interrupted.
I'm sorry.
Being interrupted, everyone. Oh, you were back. Oh. You want to see that?
Don't say anything.
Close the door. Oh. You guys were observing the entry, where apparently you can get lifesavers from. And other glass produces.
Okay. Did you
It's a
eat
mix.
dinner?
Yeah, get one dinner right now. Apparently the TV doesn't work, but hey. You just walk all the way down into the master
This is my
suite.
parents' room.
This is the master suite, bro.
Look what I'm gonna do. I'm so savage.
What do you do?
I'm so savage.
What do you do?
I grew up a rapper. Okay, I guess that concludes the house tour.
Yeah, this is kind of our house. Pretty big, pretty nice.
So we're gonna be here for next week or so.
Week and a half.
Me and Dana are gonna have some. We're gonna boogie, like you
We're
know.
gonna
what
get
I
to
mean.
the beach. Yo, we're gonna get to
We're not gonna. Yeah, we're gonna go to the beach and we're gonna have some
We're gonna have
fun.
Monster 10, you know.
Yeah, we're gonna have some fun.
Let's see how
We're
far.
playing miniature golf now. Yeah, so we're gonna have some fun. This is gonna be really fun, guys. Really fun. We're keeping score. Whoever wrote that is really slobby. So yeah.
He missed. bad.
Wait, can I do this?
Yeah, go. You can move it so you actually hit it, yeah? Hey!
Wow, nice shot, Dan. Let's see what you do. Ooh, hole in two. How do you feel about that, Danny?
Sexy. I know, I didn't have
You didn't do it on purpose. I told you.
It's so easy though, right? It's so easy, right?
Yeah, so we.
What the fuck?
Two. Three.
Ah, that's three. Me and Mike.
Okay, guys, this kind of got boring. We probably ended over there. So we just skipped like 20. We're at the last one now. Wow, incredible. So yeah, we'll just see you back at the house. Tomorrow's a new day, new things today. It's the McGregor fight. So the John Jones versus Conor McGregor. I'm just kidding. Mayweather. Oh! Oh, so you guys.
What's up, guys? Today we're at the beach. I'm wearing my,
I don't know what to call it. Thing. So yeah, people are looking at me. It's so weird. So we're at the beach. We have all these chairs. There's Danny. Look at his abs. Watch this. Yeah, that's Danny. So we're just gonna have some little fun. We're gonna little boogie. We're gonna go in the ocean. We're gonna go in that boat right there. I don't know who that belongs to. So yeah, let's do this. Now we're eating a bazooka sandwich. Having some fun right now. That was a pretty fun game right there. We'll show you that. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Well, today was pretty boring. Sorry I didn't have that much footage. I'm very tired. I've just been sitting in here the most of the day. I went in the thing, but that was only to go. I went to the ocean, but that was only to go to the bathroom. Yeah, number one in the ocean. So we're just gonna go back. Maybe play some basketball. We're gonna have some basketball videos. So I'll see you soon. Yeah, now we are just going home. I'm just walking by myself. It's like 2:30. Yeah, we're leaving now. Look at that basketball court. I'm gonna go there later. I'm just going by myself because that's what lonely people do in their life. That's what Minecrafters do. The town is pretty nice. I'll probably give you a tour right now. So, right there's the fire station. Stone Harbour water thing. Stone Harbour. I don't really know why we're here. I didn't even know about it until 2 years ago when we actually first came. It's a car search store. So yeah, playing Wonder Woman. So yeah, that's the Reed's, probably the fanciest hotel here. Nicest hotel, modern hotel. So yeah. Gross. So that's it here, guys. So wait, there's one more spot, pretty big spot. It's a pretty big ice cream store. Right here, Springer's. I haven't gone here this year, but I went last year. It's a pretty good place. It's like any other ice cream place, but they have more flavors, that's why it's good. So yeah, I guess that's the town now. Like, you look straight, there's nothing really that much going on. So yeah, oh, there's also one place, let me speed it up a bit. Wah, 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 wah. Yeah, he kind of sucks, guys. Well, oh, he wants another one. I could do that anytime. So you've seen my videos. So guys, we're gonna go get some Dairy Queen. So you see ya.
No, it's for you. Is it Kevin or something?
Oh my god, these guys are about to do Mentos. These guys are idiots. At the park though. Random. So now we're just gonna get some crepes and Dairy Queen. Hashtag fat life.
Couldn't get the right boy.